Good morning to all my dear students. Today I will teach you Social Studies of class 4. So kindly sit along with your book. We were in chapter number 3, Timelines, and we have covered these two topics, Gregorian calendar and the Saka calendar. Today we will cover these two topics, timelines, use of BCE/CE and BC AD. Students, now come to page number 37, timelines. A timeline is a chronological sequence. What do you mean by chronological sequence? Record of events by following the order in which they occurred. Sequence wise we will write the events following the order in which they occurred. A timeline is a chronological sequence of events that occurred in the past. A timeline presents the events or happening in order in which they occurred. Timelines are very useful in understanding history. They help us to understand a historical period relating to the time before and after it. Now, let us understand what is AD and BC. BC stands for before Christ. It means before the birth of Jesus Christ. And remember one thing more, you will write BC always after the year. Now AD. AD stands for Anno Domini, in the year of our Lord Jesus Christ. Here also you have to remember one thing, that we will write AD always before the year. BC we have to write always after the year, and AD we have to write always before the year. Later on you will come to know. Most people in Europe were Christians in the 16th century. Therefore, according to them, the birth of Jesus Christ was a major event. The year of his birth is numbered as 1. As we follow Gregorian calendar, and it is originally from Europe, and for the people of Europe, birth of Jesus Christ was a major event. So the numbering of years in this calendar starts from the time of Christ's birth, and all the years that comes after the birth of Jesus Christ have AD written before them. AD means Anno Domini. King Asoka died 232 years before the birth of Christ. So the date will be written as 232 BC. As I told you that BC comes after the year. You have to write BC after the year. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born after the birth of Christ, and so the date will be written as AD 1469. Events which happened before the birth of Christ, we write BC after the year, and event which happened after the birth of Jesus Christ, we write AD before the year. I hope you understood this much. To make you understand in a better way, Here is one example for you. You can see that there is one line, and this is the midpoint of this line. It shows that it is birth of Jesus Christ. The thing which was happened before the birth of Christ, it is written here in the left hand side, and the things, the events which happened after the birth of Christ, it is written here in the right hand side. The death of King Ashoka was happened before the birth of Christ. How many years before? Before 232 years. So it is written here that Ashoka died 232 years before Christ. Birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji was occurred after the birth of Christ. After how many years? After 1469 years. So it is written here Anno Domini 1469. Now the next topic is how to calculate dates. We take the birth of Christ as the midpoint. For BC, before the Christ, we calculate dates backward, means in descending order, like this. The closer we come to the birth of Christ, the number decreases. As you can see that the number is decreasing. For AD, means after the birth of Christ, we calculate the dates in forward direction. Here the number keep increasing. As we come near to the year birth of Christ, the date in BC reduce. 50 BC comes after 100. After 100, 50 BC comes after 100. But as we come nearer to present year 2013, the dates in AD increase as 50 comes before 100. I hope you understand this one. Now here is one question for you. What you have to do? You have to fill this missing blanks. Okay, this missing dates. 1, 300 here, 500 is here. Now just apply your mind and fill this dates. Now come to the next topic, that is CE and BCE. CE and BC is similar to AD and BC. You can write any of the thing. Either you can write AD or CE, or either you can write BC or BCE. The letter CE or BCE in conjunction with a year mean after or before year 1. Means you can write down BCE in the left side and you can write CE in the right hand side. Before the birth of Christ, you can write BCE, and after the birth of Christ, you can write CE. CE is an abbreviation of Common Era. BC is short for Before Common Era. CE and BCE are usually in exactly the same way as the traditional abbreviation AD and BC. As BC and AD have religious meaning to them, Many people prefer to use the more modern and neutral CE and BCE to indicate if a year is before or after the year 1. Though both systems are acceptable, most countries have now replaced BC and AD with BCE and CE. It means that most of the country started writing BCE instead of BC and CE instead of AD. I hope you all understand this much. So you have to read this chapter once again by your own. Thank you. Have a good day.